I got conned, and I put, in hindsight, of course, a ridiculous amount of money in this and a ridiculous amount of trust in these people.
And so Million Token is literally $1 million opportunity. I'm putting $1 million of my own money into this to get it started, but this coin can skyrocket in price. It can take us to the moon. I mean, the moon is the limit here. This could make all of us rich if we all work together and promote this coin.
So I decided to try it. I said, okay, well, I'll just try just to test the water, and I'll put, $500 in there first and see what happens,
They just get you, and you get into it and you can't get out of it.
Emotionally drained, physically drained, psychologically drained. Prevent somebody else from getting involved in this and ruin their life like this, then it's probably worth it. But it's not worth the amount of money that I lost to me.
When the opportunity of financial freedom is presented to you, when you are told that your dreams can be achieved faster than you think.
We're going to the moon. We're going to the moon, that's right. I mean, we're gonna be rich, you guys. I don't see how we cannot be rich. This is it. Millionaires, all of us. I mean, this is the key, this was it. It was just that easy, it's like magic.
When you are told that being rich is not as difficult as you think it is, when you are told that you can also own your dream car, pay your mortgage and travel the world. Financial freedom is yours for the taking. All you have to do is to
go to metkevin.com/FTX to learn more and sign up to get free crypto every time you trade.
It sounds too good to be true.
Too good to be true, it's not.
Do you want me to tell you how they dig into your emotions? In fact, do you want to know step by step how crypto scams work? It can be a Bitcoin scam, pump and dump, or investment in some crypto. It doesn't matter. All you need to understand is that all this crypto scams have the same formula. It's like a copy and paste with the same method of luring and hooking their victims. We are going to break these methods into 3 groups and explain each method. And the first method is it all starts with bold claims, claiming they are professional crypto traders, a Bitcoin miner, or they have an investment opportunity in crypto with higher returns. They target their victims on Twitch, Kick, YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, wherever they can find people who are in a vulnerable position, and start flashing lifestyle and materialistic things on the screen.
I'm going to take this opportunity. No. I'm going to take this opportunity to tell you about a cryptocurrency I got.
Oh, I don't want to hear no crypto.
Come on.
I don't. These crypto goons.
No.
What are you going to tell me about crypto? I'm going to believe in a crypto, right?
So I got a crypto, man. You can stake. There's guys that are staking it, right? They lock it up for 30 days, and they're getting paid interest on top of that. And that interest is like, I mean, you make $10,000 just by staking it.
You crypto guys all have a story.
They hook their victims by showcasing their lavish lifestyle, fancy cars, expensive clothes, and luxurious mansions. They know how to feed in their victims' needs, and they sell them dreams.
In this video, we're gonna be talking about how to make $1,000 profit per day just using crypto bots, completely hands off. You don't have to watch the markets all day. You don't have to have any experience. You don't need to be a genius trader. Literally, all you have to do is click a few buttons and watch these beautiful machine algorithm and artificial intelligence algorithms actually print money like clockwork.
Their goal is to hook you in by digging into your emotions. They will even share the testimonials of their students, which are paid actors, or they are fake testimonials. Share the proof of the money that was paid out to old investors. Sometimes it's just a fake PayPal screenshot, or they did pay old investors, but it's not the money from the crypto investment, it's the money from early investors. That means they are robbing Peter to pay Sean. These predators get to their victims posing as successful investors. Crypto expect, or even as a friend, to gain their victim's trust before leading their victim into the next stage of their scam. This is where they will tell you to come to their seminar or join them live on streaming platforms, Zoom meeting, Facebook, Instagram Live, to teach you how to make 6 figures. Please subscribe if you find this video informative, and please hit that notification bell so you will be notified when we drop another video. The goal of these seminars or Instagram lives is to gain your trust and make investing in this pyramid scheme easy and interesting. But the main goal is to make you trust them and trust that is possible, and they do this by telling you their backstory on how they started. Telling you that before investing in this opportunity, they were in your position. They were poor and there's nothing special about them. The thing that makes him special is that he believed.
Yeah, flicked my job, never looked back really, yeah.
I read an article saying you're going to be a millionaire by the end of the year.
Yeah, I feel it's true, that article. I feel it's on the way. Yeah, I feel nothing can stop me at this point.
So you'd profit directly from encouraging other people to invest in USI tech?
Yeah.
It's a pretty good reason for you to ignore the fact that it's a pyramid scheme, isn't it?
Yeah, I guess. Yeah, you could call it a pyramid scheme, but...
I could, they could,
yeah.
The US authorities, the Canadian authorities.
Yeah.
They know exactly how to attract the most vulnerable people, people who are broke and people who really want to make money or are young and naive enough to feel like this investment opportunity can get them to that life they've always dreamed of. They know how to target that 25-year-old who lives in her mom's basement, and every day he wonders if he's gonna be that broke kid and be like everybody else in her family, or is he gonna finally step out and break the generational curse.
Bitcoin and cryptocurrency has given us an investment tool where $1,000 can be $100,000 in a year. Like, that's a reality. It's happened, it's happening, and it will happen again. So it's giving power back to the younger generation, and we're all sick of it. Old people making decisions that we have to live with. Well, now we're making those decisions, and I think we take some of that power back.
They will show testimonials of previous fake students who have invested in this crypto scheme, saying things like, look, here's Sean, and he made 100 grand in his first month of doing it, and it took him 1 year to get to 6 figures. They will make you see this dream, spending time with your family in a house next to a beach with expensive cars and traveling. They can not only do this through seminars, they can also attract you using WhatsApp or Facebook. They know how to rewire their victims' mentality and mindset by telling them that there is a lot of money to be made in this investment opportunity. The main goal is to sign you in their platform. Now we've come to the part of how these scammers will drain your bank account. They will make you sign up in a very inviting website with fake testimonials with fake information about the business and fake address. In this website is where you are going to buy their expensive course about mining or trading crypto and pay membership package. Worst of it all is to invest in crypto and get 90% return every month.
But we're talking about cryptocurrency, which is not a guaranteed asset.
Most victims will invest a few thousand and use their platform, which it will work perfectly fine. You will see your trades running in good profits or your investment growing. They will be next to you every step of the way, helping you to trade or to invest. They will even encourage you to invest more so that you will earn even more money. You will invest more until it's too late and the scam is being revealed. When you want to withdraw your money, your withdrawal request will be rejected. When you contact the customer service, they will tell you that you need to pay taxes on your profits before you can access your money. After tax fee, they will say you need to pay certification fee. After certification fee, they will say you need to pay transfer fee, or they will say you need to pay a certain percentage to access your money. The thing is that they will never tell you about all these fees when you first start, but they will insist you need to pay these fees before you can get your money back. After you asked about your money, your trades will start to fail and your accumulated profits will start to decrease. They will pressure you to invest more so that you could reverse the situation by increasing your trading volume. Let me tell you the truth, there was no money in your trading account or wallet. The money you invested went straight into the scammer's bank account, not towards any trading or investment platform. The whole thing was just a trading simulation, and it was not connected to anything. If this sounds familiar or you suspect that someone is involved with a scam based on what we talked about, please report it to your local police station or your government fraud website. This is a website where you can report fraud, scams, and bad business practices.